Welcome. In this video I will show you how to set up your DELL Latitude 7410 without a Microsoft account. So first of all, do not connect to a network, and if you are already connected to one, then either leave the area and reach the place where your network signal is unreachable, so your PC cannot connect to the to the network, or just turn off the router if you have access to it. And once you do that, proceed with the following steps. There are two ways to bypass a Microsoft account, and the first one is by using the combination of Shift and F10 buttons on your keyboard. Just press both of them at the same time, and this will open the CMD window on your screen. Now, in the CMD window, first, of course, switch to it. You can use the Alt tab, for example. And now in this window, input OOBE / bypass and row. Press enter and let your device restart. After your device restarts, we'll see if this method worked. And once your laptop is restarted, first normally select your country or region, then select the right keyboard layout for your device, tap yes, and then if you want to add a second layout, click add layout and proceed. Otherwise, just skip this step, and now you should be able to see I don't have a Microsoft account option around the next option, next button right here. But if you don't see it, just like me, then use the same Shift F10 combination once again, and we'll try a second method. So first, just open this CMD window and input start spacebar IMS then dash CXH colon local only, and then press enter, and then you'll be able to create a local Microsoft account here. So provide your username into the first field, and you can also create a password for your account, but it's not necessary. If you want to create a password, provide it into the first field, confirm it in the second one, and then create choose some security questions for yourself, give answers to them, and then click next. Let's wait a while. Next, you're gonna have to choose some privacy settings for your device. So location, find my device feature, location and find my device feature features let you both know your devices, both get your device's location if in case your device is lost or stolen, or get data like directions and weather in your local area. So if you want to switch them on, just switch the toggle to the right. If you don't, switch it to the left. Now diagnostic data just collects data about your device usage and sends it to Microsoft for research. Inking and typing does the same thing, but with your keyboard usage, and tailored experiences is basically personalized ads. Now once you switched all the toggles according to your preferences, click accept, and at this point the Windows setup is finished. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.